Have you ever touched something hot and quickly pulled your hand away? You didn't plan it. You didn't think about it. It just happened. That is nervous coordination. Now, what exactly is nervous coordination? Let's make it very simple. Nervous coordination is how your body notices something, sends a message, and responds quickly. That's it. Your body's like a communication network. Something happens, a message is sent, then your body reacts. For example, you step on a sharp object. Immediately, you lift your leg. You didn't hold a meeting in your brain. Your body handled it instantly. That is nervous coordination in action. Now let's break the nervous system into simple parts. Think of it like a control system with three main sections. The first part is the central nervous system, CNS. This is the control center. It includes the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is like the boss. The spinal cord is like the main highway for messages. They receive information, they decide what to do, then they send instructions back. The second part is the peripheral nervous system, PNS. This is like all the wiring in your house. These are the nerves spread all over your body. They carry messages from your body to the brain, then from the brain back to your body. Without them, communication stops. The third part is the autonomic nervous system. This controls things you don't consciously think about. For example, your heart beating, your stomach digesting food, and your breathing while you sleep. You don't control these manually. Your nervous system handles them automatically. Now let's move to the reflex actions. A reflex action is a quick, automatic response without thought. For example, you touch fire. Before your brain even processes it properly, your hand is already moving away. That is called a reflex action. It is fast because your spinal cord handles it first. It protects you from danger. What is a reflex arc? That's a big name with an actual simple meaning. A reflex arc is just the path the message follows. Let's break it down step by step. Something happens, a receptor detects it, a sensory neuron carries the message, the spinal cord receives it, a motor neuron sends a response, and then a muscle reacts. That's basically from stimulus to message, then to action. That's all. Now, how are impulses transmitted? A nerve impulse is simply an electrical message. Your body uses electricity to send messages. There are three main types of neurons. 1. Sensory neurons, which carry messages to the CNS2. Relay neurons, which connect neurons inside the CNS3. Motor neurons, which carry instructions to muscles or glands. So when something happens, your body detects it, a message travels as electricity, your brain or spinal cord decides, another message travels back, and your body responds. All in milliseconds. That's how powerful your nervous system is. In summary, nervous coordination helps your body respond to changes. The nervous system has the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerve's reflex actions are quick and automatic, while the nerve impulses are electrical messages. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next class.